At there. See there. I at to there. I is to there.
All right, quiet people. We're getting started. Close those books, and you should be facing me. Book should be down. Pencil should be down. All right, we're starting with the warm-up. Short vowel sounds review. When we say "eh," what is the signal? Show me "eh." Good job. "Eh." Everyone should be doing it. "Eh." What is "eh"? "Eh." Not "eh." I say "eh." Nope. Should be "eh." 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 Show me "eh." 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 Show me "uh." Show me "ah." "Ah." All right, just to review again. Show me "eh." 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 And "ah." Good job, Jimmy. Cut it out. All right. Oh, here it is now. Sound out this word. Break this word apart, please. I'm going to point to the letter. You're going to tell me the sound. And what is the word? Nut. What letter sound? All right. Well, first we read nut, right?
Yeah.
If I change the n to b, if that is nut, what is this? But. Good job. Y'all finished? That's not what that is. It's like saying, I was going to the store, but it started raining. That is what this word is. What letter sound makes this word different from the old word? Huh? B. Good job. There's a b instead of a Awesome. Yes, sir. Yes, you can. All right, so I'm changing another sound. If that was but, what is this one? Jut. Good job. If this is jut, what is this one? Jet. Good job. If this is jet, what's the new word? Yet. Pay attention, people. If this is yet, what's this word? Let. If this is let, what is this word? Lot. If this is lot, what is this word? Lit. If that is lit, what is this word? Kit. If it is kit, what is this word? Oh. Sorry, let me fix that. If that was kit, what is this word? There's no O. There's no O here. So if this is lit, what is this word? Kit. If this is kit, what is this word? Kid. Thank you. put the book down. Cammy, turn your whole body to face me. Brenna, turn your whole body to face me. All right, starting here, we're sounding this one out.
Yeah.
We're going to start over. Everybody, we're sounding this one out. The word is? Huh? Not hun, but hum. So this is hum. What is this word? Bum. Good job. Bum. If this is bum, what is this word? Stop yelling out random words. Bam. Thank you, Demi. Bam. If this is bam, what is this word? Yam. If that is yam, what is this word? Ram. If that's ram, what is this word? Rat. We read from left to right, people. Rat. If that is rat, what is this word? Axe. If that is axe. Thank you, Hasman. Axe. If that is axe, what is word? Tax. Good job. All right, so we're going to be doing some independent work while I do some reading assessments today. Open your books to 12.1, please. No, your big books. That is the page that I'm going to be assessing you on. And you're going to be working on 12.2.
This one?
And 12.3. I said 12, not 10. Braylon's there. Well, he was. You're looking for 12. Let me see. No, that's 16. I said 12. Look at the number. Not what the page looks like. Look at the top. You need to go back. I said 12. 16 is past 12.
Let's skip the whole page. Okay. 12.1.
Everybody should be on 12.1. She's there. Zola is there. Go back one more page, Braylon. 12.1. Demi is there. And you will need your pencil. You will need your pencils.
12.3. 12.1. There.
You should know your numbers by now. 12.1, Cammy, let's go. 12.1, Hosman. Charles.
I'm already there.
If you rip that book, we're going to have a problem. Stop doing it like that. Thank you. I'm waiting on Charles and I'm waiting on Cammy. Cammy, you need to go back. I said back. Keep going until you get to 12.1, not 15, 12.
Purple one. There. On that page. Cut there.
Keep on. Go back. Why you on 4? Go back. One page at a time. I say one page at a time. You flip about 5 pages just now. One more. Thank you. All right, everybody's there.
Yeah.
Keep your eyes on your own paper. Everybody turn around to face me. Bodies. Turn around to face me. For 1, you are looking for the word leg. Leg. Shush, shush, shush. Everyone should be facing me so I can see Hasman. Don't you do it. Hasman, come sit over here. Come around. Come on. Zola, do not look at anybody's book before you come and sit over here with Hasman. Go around. When you finish number 1, put your finger on number 2. Quickly. Now point number 2. Number 2, you're looking for kid. Kid. This is number 2. You're looking for kid. Listen for all 3 sounds. Kid. Do not look. Diana, turn your whole body to face me. That's what I asked you to do. Turn your whole body. If you need to put your book on top of the box, put your book on top of the box. Turn to face me. When you finish number 2, put your finger on number 3. Number 3, you're looking for the word rat. 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 Shh. You should be looking at me when you finish, not at anybody's book. When you finish number 3, put your finger on number 4. Number 4, you're looking for the word jug. 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 Zola, I'm watching you, sweetheart. Don't look over there again. Brilliant. Turn your whole body. Zola, crisscross. Thank you. Now you turn your whole body to face me. You still not facing me. I'm trying to help you out all the way. Thank you. If you have people trying to look in your book. When you finish number 4, point to number 5. Number 5, you're looking for the word yes. 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 When you finish number 5, turn the page so you can see number 6. When you finish number 5, turn the page to the back and point to number 6. Number 5 is yes.
Yes is an easy word.
Shush. All right, number 6. Everyone should be pointing to number 6. Number 6, you're looking for the word jet. 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 When you finish number 6, point to number 7. Number 7, you're looking for the word log. 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 You should be pointing at number 8. Number 8. You're looking for the word box. Box. Shush. Box. You should be pointing to number 9. Number 9. You're looking for the word web. 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 All right, and point to number 10. Point to number 10. You're looking for the word rug. 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 Stop calling my name. Rug. All right, line up right here so I can check your papers. What are all of my Stop talking in this line. Keep your book open. Next. It has to be a straight line because people have to get back that way. Stop talking back there. Keep your book open. Keep your book open. Keep your book open. Well, you think it's special.
Yes.
Your book is not even open. Why is your book closed?
Go.
Don't close the book.
This is funny. I can laugh like that. Only got 1,
Keep it open.
2, 3, 4, right? 10 minutes.
Yeah.
We'll get this. But I got this one. Me too.
You need to do the back, Charles.
Yeah, I only got one. Can.
Keep your book open.
I got one wrong. Bro, I have one wrong with all these right. But I have one.
This one right.
Bro, only got one wrong.
All right, so everybody's workbook should still be open. We're looking at 12.2 now. Here. 12.2 is the very next page. You do not need to flip any pages. Hold it right. Hold it.
12.
It has pictures and it has some boxes by the pictures. That's what you're looking at. So looking at the first picture, what is that a picture of?
In a bin?
I'm talking to everybody. I'm not just talking to Braylon. Looking at number 1, what is that a picture of?
In a bin.
So we're just gonna call it a bug. So bug what? Bug on a bed. So you have to find the phrase that says bug on bed and put an X in that box. Find the phrase that says bug on bed.
Bug on bed.
We're not checking work pens. When you find the phrase that says bug on bed, put an X in the box.
Bug on bed. Bug on bed. Bug on bed.
Which one says bug on bed? The first one or the second one?
The first one.
The first one. So you should have an X right here. Just like that. Your paper should look just like that. All right, looking at number 2, what is that a picture of?
Van.
A van. Is it a big van or a little van?
Big van.
So you have to find a phrase that says big van and put an X in the box. Big van.
Big van.
Look at your own book. That's why you're over here. Find a phrase that says big van and put an X in the box. Which one says big van? The top or the bottom? The top. So put an X in that top box. Looking at number 3, what do you see?
Jet.
So you have to find a phrase with the word jet. Once you find a phrase with the word jet, put an X in the box.
I did it. I did it. I did it.
We don't need a song about it.
I did it.
I'm glad you're excited.
So, this is so easy. I know my numbers, my letters.
Hello, kindergarten. Be quiet. We have a good bit of work to get through.
Then we can move on, go to second grade.
All right, looking at number 4, what do you see?
Box. Hat and box.
It's not a hat. Or is it?
Man.
Okay, so hat in box, right? Find the phrase that says hat in box.
Hat in box.
And put an X in the box. Find the one that says hat in box.
T. Hat in box. Hat in.
All right, which one says hat in box? The top or the bottom? Bottom. So you should have an X in the bottom box for number 4. When you finish number 4, turn it over. Turn the page.
Number 4.
And you're going to do 5 through 8 by yourself. Do numbers 5 through 8 by yourself.
Okay.
Read the phrases and match the phrase to the picture.
Map is rip. The map is rip. The map is rip. The map is rip. Yeah, but it is. Pig and tub. Yeah. Rip. The map is rip. Jacket. Pig. The dog. Oh, I think that's a fox. Fox and fox. Dog, fox, and box. Fox and boxes. Fox. No. Oh, dude. Fox and box.
All right, we're going to go ahead and check answers. Number 5. What do you have a picture of? Map. What's wrong with it? Has a rip in it. So you should be looking for rip in rub. Rip in map. Rip in map. Is that the top or the bottom one? Bottom. It's the bottom one. That's number 5. Pay attention. Number 6. What do we have a picture of?
Pig and tub.
The pig and tub. Is that the top or the bottom phrase? Bottom. Make sure you're checking your work. Number 7. What do you have a picture of? Zipper. Zip up. Someone's zipping up their jacket. So you're looking for zip it up. Is that the top or the bottom phrase? Top. All right. And number 8. What do you have a picture of? Fox. Fox in box. Is that the top or the bottom phrase? Bottom. Good job. Kiss your brains.
I got that one right. Oh, you can get all of them right there.
All right, we're going to go ahead and keep moving. We're actually going to come back to 12.3. We're just going to keep moving through. All right. So we're moving on to this. Pay attention, people, and stop playing. You can put your books down, keep them open, but your attention needs to be here. Attention needs to be here. Husband, you can go sit back there. Take your books. And don't look at anybody's book, you understand? So right now I'm showing you the cover of the book. Yes?
Yeah.
The title of the story is down here. Everyone should be looking up here at this book. Zola, put your pencil down. Your attention should be on me and this book. That's it. So the title is down here in orange. This is the title down here. Does everyone see it?
Yeah.
Ox and man. Do you know what an ox is?
No.
Do you know what an ox is?
Yeah.
What is an ox, Cammy? A big black thing? No, not really. Not really. So it is an animal. Good observation. Brilliant.
They have horns.
Has horns, okay. So an ox, which is this right here, is an animal that is similar to a cow. So this is an ox, and it is similar to a cow. It's often used to do different kinds of work, such as pulling a wagon or cart or plowing fields on a farm. So this is an ox. It's similar to a cow, and they often use them to pull wagons or carts. Zola, put that book down and pay attention. So based on the title, Ox and Man, and the cover illustration, which is the picture, what do you predict this story will be about? Predict means to make a guess, right?
Yes.
So what do you think this story will be about? Strong silent hand. Based on the title and the picture, what do you think this story will be about, Zola? What do you think this story will be about? Just something brief, Max. A bull? A bull? Well, remember, we're basing it off the picture and the title, which is Ox and Man. What do you think this will be about, Cammy?
A man on an ox.
So you think it's going to be about a man on an ox?
Yeah.
Anybody think something different, Demi?
A man riding an ox.
You think it's about a man riding the ox? Hazen? You think it's going to be about an ox jumping? Zola? Huh? You think it's going to be about ox in water? All right, so we're going to read. Let's read to find out. Everyone should be paying attention. You remember what happened last time? Y'all had to stand up until I told y'all could sit down. Y'all want that to happen again?
No.
You weren't here, so you don't know what it feels like. They don't want it to happen again. Ox ran and ran. Jen ran at him, but Ox ran on. Kim had him, but Ox ran on. Charles Men fed ox and led him and sat on him. The end. All right.
That's it.
I'm going to read it again. But just to review some things, I'm going to go back. A sentence starts with a, nope. A sentence starts with what? Every sentence that you read does not start with the word ox. I'm talking about all sentences, no matter where you see them at. A sentence always starts with what?
A dot.
Nope. Not a dot.
A period.
Nope. Doesn't start with the period.
Space.
Doesn't start with the space.
A line.
It starts with what kind of letter? Oh, no.
O.
No.
S.
I didn't say what letter. I said what kind of letter. This is something that y'all should be able to answer like this. Thank you, Demi. An uppercase letter. A sentence starts with what kind of letter?
Uppercase.
An uppercase letter. So notice that this sentence starts with an uppercase O. A sentence ends with a period. So a sentence starts with an, no, it does not. We just talked about this. Thank you, Diana. A capital letter. And it ends with a period. A sentence starts with a capital letter. Hosman, put it down. And it ends with a
Period.
Charles. A sentence starts with a husband. A sentence starts with a nope. Cammy. A sentence starts with a and ends with a Diana. A sentence starts with the
Capital letter.
and ends with the
Period.
Demi. A sentence starts with the
Capital letter.
and ends with a Max. A sentence starts with a and ends with the but does it end with? Thank you. Zola. A sentence starts with the and ends with a Charles. A sentence starts with a I can't hear you. It doesn't start with the apple. Hosman. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a it ends with the you need to be listening. Braylon. A sentence starts with a
Capital letter.
and ends with a
Period.
Hosman. A sentence starts with a and ends with the period. Good job. Charles. A sentence starts with the capital letter and ends with a period. Thank you. Y'all need to be able to tell me that just like this. Just like y'all be singing them songs on the radio. That's how I need y'all to be able to tell me this. All right. So when you see a period at the end of the sentence, you should stop briefly and take a breath before reading the next sentence. Okay? So I'm going to give you an example. All right, so here's my board. I have some sentences. They start with capital letters and they end with period. So just like I told you, pay attention. Zola, when you're reading and you come to a period, you only stop briefly and then you take a breath and then you keep reading, okay? So watch me. The bus is yellow. Here's my period, so I'm gonna pause. The car is red. I'm gonna do that again. The bus is yellow. I'm taking a breath. The car is red. All right? So notice that I didn't go, the bus is yellow, the car is red. Did I take a breath?
No.
No, so that means I did not end my sentences. I ran on. I just kept on blabbling, right? So I have to slow down. The bus is yellow. The car is red. And then if it was another sentence, it would be another sentence, okay? All right.
The bus is yellow.
In this book, I see some other things here. So right here we have a complete sentence, right? Let's look here. On this page right here, look at it carefully. Everyone should sit up. Be not asleep. It's not nap time. Nowhere near. Sit up. Is this a complete sentence?
Yes.
Look at it carefully.
No.
Is that a complete sentence?
Yes.
Why not? Who said no? Who said no? Demi, why do you say no? There's no period. You're absolutely correct, Cammie and Demi. This is not a complete sentence because there is no period to end it. This right here is called a comma. Everyone say comma. Comma. One more time, comma. A comma also represents a pause, but a comma represents a pause in the middle of a sentence, okay? So this sentence is not complete until this page right here, because now we have a what?
Period.
So this sentence keeps going until we get to this page right here. So even though this is not a period, this is called a what? Say it loud. Comma. Comma. We still pause and take a breath, okay? So Jen ran at him, pause, but Ox ran on. That's the end of the sentence. So this right here is called a what? Huh? Comma. Hosman, what's this called right here? You need to pay attention. Turn around. Put the pencils down. All right. I'm going to read again.
Lola, pay attention.
Notice how my sentence starts with a capital letter. It ends with a period. Watch how I pause briefly for periods and commas. Ox ran and ran. Jen ran at him, but Ox ran on. Kim had him, but Ox ran on. Men fed Ox. Is this a complete sentence?
No.
No, because there's no what?
Period.
And led him and sat on him. That was the end. All right. What did the ox like to do? Husband? He liked to run away? So he did. He liked to run. The ox loved to run. All right. So I'm going to read it again, but you're going to help me. Hope you're ready. All right. I'm pointing. You're reading.
Ox ran and ran.
I only hear about 3 people. Everybody should be reading. You need to sound it out if you don't know it. Let's sound it out. The name is
Jen.
Jen.
And he run
I don't see all that on here. Jen ran
at him.
him. Good job.
He ran
No, read what you see. We're not moving on until you read the words correctly. Sound it out.
the
What's the word?
but I ran no
Ran what?
on
On. What's his name? Let's sound it out. Oh, y'all know it. Kim
Kim
had
him.
him.
Yeah.
We just sounded this one out on the other page. Huh? I heard someone say back there.
But
I
I ran on.
there's a pattern in this book. So we have patterns here. Let me go back. If this name is Jen, what's this name?
M
Huh? The name is not. This is an M right here, but what's the name?
M
We changed J from Jen. We changed the J to Sound it out. I don't hear y'all. It won't be no nap. It will not be a nap time today. I'm telling you. What's the name? Men fed. I see some people using their pictures. Good job.
and
Led. Huh? Him. Stop singing and read.
and
Sat.
on him.
Good job. All right, you can go to your seats with your books. When you get to your seat, keep your books open. Don't close them. You're going to need different color crayons. You're going to need different color crayons. Different colored crayons.
Maybe.
Faculty meeting canceled. That's what I have. That's what I love to hear.
We got a meeting today?
We did. She canceled it because of the weather. Good. The girl gotta drive all the way to Slidell. I ain't trying to be husband, why is your book down here and why is it closed? After I say take your books and leave them open. Why is your book down here? Max, did I say take your book and go look out the window? No. You didn't. Mm-hmm. Get your crayons out, but don't do anything with them yet. Girl.
Oh no.
Oh, right.
And I want you to look at the smart board. Get in your chairs. Zola, I said don't use them yet. I didn't say to do anything. Put the top on that marker. And I say crayons. Don't use marker in that workbook. You should be seated and facing the smart board. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That includes you. Have a seat. Your attention should be on the smart board. Where should it be? Okay, so I don't see everybody's eyes, so that means everybody's not paying attention to smuggle.
Lola, you cold? Put on your jacket.
Why is it called this?
Put on your jacket.
Happy, cheesy, happy, happy, cheesy, 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 happy, happy, cheesy. Hi, I love sounds like and even let's look at this sound. This sound has two letters, S and H. We all know that S says and H says. When we put them together, S-H say, just kidding. S and H say, shh. Many words start with the S and H, the sh sound. For example, shoes, sheep, shark. Ah! Can you think of a word that starts with the sh sound? Ready? Go! Don't be shy.
Yell out your words.
Shout it out.
Other words, new words.
Whoa! Many words also end with the S and H sound. For example, fish, crash, squash.
You ain't going to sleep. Sit up.
Can you think of a word that ends with the sh sound?
Think of words that end with the sh sound. Like dish.
Oh. Okay, don't forget the XH sound. Until next time.
All right, so we're learning about blends. Everyone say blends. Wake up. Everybody say blends. One more time. Blends. Everyone say two letters that we put together to make one sound. One more time. Blends. Two letters that we put together to make one sound. What are blends, Diana? Two. I need the whole definition that I just gave to you. What are blends, Demi?
Two letters to make one sound.
That's not what I said. I need the whole thing. So we're going to do it again. Everybody say blends.
Blends.
Two letters
Two letters
we put together
we put together
to make one sound.
to make one sound.
One more time. Blends
Blends.
are two letters
Two letters
we put together
put together
to make one sound.
make one sound.
What are blends, Demi?
Two letters we put together to make one sound.
Good job. What are blends, Braylon?
Two letters we put together to make one sound.
What are blends, Diana?
Two letters that we put together and make one sound.
What are blends, Max?
Two letters make together,
We put together
put together, one sound.
to make one sound. Cammy, what are blends? To what? What are these? You don't know what those are? To what? Two letters. You're not paying attention, you're sitting there. What are blends, Hosman?
Two letters put together.
Good job. What are blends, Charles? to what? Letters that we, what do we do with them? We put them together to do what? To make one what? No equals in this. It's not math. Zola, what are blends? What are blends? Huh? Syllables? No, ma'am. So Cammy, Charles, and Zola. Y'all gonna work with me tomorrow by yourselves. So blends are two letters that we put together to make one sound. What two letters did we put together just now?
S and A.
S and H. And when we put them together, what sound do they make? What sound? So these two letters, when we put them together, it's like telling someone to be quiet. Everybody say shh. Next. All right. Who can tell me a word that starts with the sh sound? Raise your hand. One word that starts with the sh sound, Demi.
Fish.
Starts with. Braylon.
S.
A word, Diana.
Sheep.
Sheep. Good job. Sheep. Braylon.
Shark.
Shark. Demi.
Shark.
I just had that one. Hosman.
Gnat.
Nope. That starts with the sh sound. Starts with. That means it has to be at the beginning.
Pink.
Has to be at the beginning.
Rat.
At the beginning. Has to have the sh sound.
Meat. Later. She don't come.
I'm X again.
Let's learn about the diagram. SH, it will help you read and write each day. S says H says when you put them together they sound this way. Shh, shh, shh. Listen for the sound at the beginning of these words. I took a shower, shower. With shampoo, shampoo. Put on a shirt, and shoes.
I will be saying these words.
Let's learn about the diagram. SH, it will help you read and write each day. S says H says when you put them together they sound this way. Shh, shh, shh. Listen for the sound at the end of these words.
These are at the
I
end.
caught a fish. To make a dish. Took out the trash. By the bush. Let's learn about the diagram. SH, it will help you read and write each day. S says H says when you put them together they sound this way. Shh, shh, shh.
All right, strong sign of hand. Who can tell me more words that start at the beginning? SH. Shh.
Taking a shower.
Shower. I can hear you. What? Clothes. Clothes doesn't start with sh. I'm looking for words that start with sh. Diana. Shoes. Tell me what's that end with sh. End with sh. Demi. Dish. Braylon.
Shampoo.
End with sh. We're not doing beginning anymore. Zola. Shirt begins with sh. I'm looking for it at the end. So Demi said dish. Fish.
Fish.
Hmm?
Fish.
Real words. Real words. Real words.
Fish.
Real words.
Sit up, Roland.
They told you a bunch of them in this video. Real words.
They got the trash.
Trash. Good job. Trash. And one more. One more. Bush. Good job. Bush. All right, I'm coming around with this worksheet for you. When you get it, write your name at the top. It's about the blend. Close those workbooks. I don't think I'm gonna be. Close workbooks.
Sit up, Roland. Sit up.
Write your name at the top.
Get your coats out.
Write your name at the top. I didn't say open it. I say write your name at the top. All right. I need y'all's help. Blends are two. Okay. I need help. Blends are two that we put together to make
One sound.
one sound. All right, say it with me. Ready, go. Blends are two letters that we put together to make one sound. One more time. Blends are two letters that we put together to make one sound. So the blend that we're learning today is what? And what two letters make up that sound?
S and H.
S and H. So the first thing you're going to do is trace it and then write it. Do it now. Trace it and then write it. This is going to be independent work. Mm-hmm.